Thursday morning. We have a little mini March break going on, so we're not at work this week. It's fantastic, although we do love work. And we're expecting a blizzard. There was a blizzard warning on the Weather Channel this morning. And so we're gonna do some things outside to kind of tidy up so that our stuff doesn't blow away. We got our skis all over the place. I have some seal skin hanging on the railing outside that needs to go away. I think that there's...
You have seal skin?
Seal skin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why do you have seal skin?
I'm a mitten maker. This is a well-kept secret. I've been making mittens for the past probably 10 years. And this past year, the business took off a bit and it became fairly lucrative, I would say. And so now I've kind of doubled down, and instead of making a lot of mittens, I'm making like a lot of mittens for me.
He's a luxury mitten maker.
Yeah.
So if you want some. I'm so cold. C'est froid.
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 He's practicing his French. He's very proud to live in Quebec, right?
I am a proud
Resident.
American Quebecer.
We're gonna teach him.
And
I'm not by any means a French speaker. It's not my first language, but you know, it's fun to make fun of him. So we're out for the ride. I don't know, you can't see anything, but we're just across the river, driving around, and that's it.
There's a blizzard on the way.
It's getting windy and cold. It's really cold today. What is it, like minus 40?
It's like minus 40 something. And, you know, we just have to enjoy. We were supposed to go camping, but Reagan came down with strep throat.
So obviously we couldn't take a sick kid out into the blizzard for 2 days, so we're just gonna hang out at home and do some stuff around the house. Later I'm gonna go to the store.
Or what are we gonna buy?
We're gonna buy some cheese,
Okay.
crackers, and something for our charcuterie board.
Where are you going for during this blizzard?
I'm gonna go next door,
And do what?
eat a lot of cheese. And it's gonna be fun, so yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna trace and cut my sealskin patterns today. I'm very excited.
Okay, well, the blizzard is starting. It's about 4 p.m. and it is getting really windy out here. And yep, we're just about to... Oh, there's still kids playing out there. Yeah, so we're about to close everything up and just get cozy for the night. We still have to go to the store to pick up a few things. The weather changed really quickly. It's really cold, and that's it. I'm gonna sneak into the cookie jar. I made these for camp and we didn't end up going. I actually made like 40 cookies and there's like 12 left. Someone's been sneaking in the cookie jar. Was it you?
Yeah.
Who do you think would sneak into the cookie jar? Or who else? Who's more likely?
Dad.
Does he usually go in there and take a
Yeah.
few?
Every day he has like 12 a day.
12 cookies.
6.
So maybe we should play a little prank on him and hide the cookies and say we ate them all.
Yes.
You want to do that?
Yeah. Shh. Don't tell him yet.
Does anybody care that I just like came in from the freezing cold and like got lost trying to go to Inukshuk and almost like was blown away into Hudson Bay?
Oh, that's where you were. We were looking outside.
You guys are worried about cookies and I'm happy to be alive.
All right, so we are off to the store. Ooh, the Gouda. We need this. This is good.
What's the price on that bad boy?
Maybe like $6 or $7.
There's actually a lot of stuff here right now.
Yeah, it's a pretty good day to be here. All right. Oh, look, they're selling a bunch of sleds up here.
What else do we need?
Crackers, grapes. $1.369 for one little Perrier. I don't know how much they regularly are, but I'm gonna get one.
I need palm leather.
For your leather gloves.
Palms of my gloves. It's so expensive here. $64. Plus tax, of course.
Well, where are you going?
Our neighbor's Ski-Doo just broke down in the middle of the road, so he asked me to help him pull it home. I don't know, I never pulled a snowmobile before, so
Yeah.
see how this one goes. It always happens on the blizzard days. That's okay, I was sitting around being lazy. We've been going all day, haven't we?
We've been going all day, since 7 a.m.
My biological clock woke me up at 7 a.m.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling.